Now we are going to train the condition check step through the beep test. Beep test is a way to indicate our condition shape level through a short running test. We start by marking 20 meters distance, which will be our set to run back and forth every time the test beeps. We need to make sure that we cross the line before it beeps and leave the line after it beeps. Once we did not make the set on time, meaning it beeped before we reached the 20 meters line, we are out. Once we finish the test, we record our score and level and check what it means in the scoring table. If you are not satisfied with your record, go ahead and retest yourself. Train with me.
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2. Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7.